How to change Java argument in Minecraft launcher. So first of all, you need to open Minecraft launcher in a system. You need to, after that, you need to click on any of the edition like Java Bedrock. You can then select installation option from the left hand panel, and here if you can see there are three dots in front of installation. Just tap on this, and you need to click on edit option from here, and after that you need to click on this more option showing at the bottom, and you can see Java argument is showing here. So this is a Java argument which you can need to change, and you can make the required changes here which you want. You can increase the size of your RAM of your Minecraft launcher as well. I hope you know it, and if you do not know, you can find the video in the I button. You just need to change the GB. For example, if your RAM is 4 GB, so it is 2 GB here, half of the RAM, and if it is 8 GB, you can make it 4 GB, half of the RAM. After that, you just need to click on save button, and if you want any other changes, you can do it from this place, and this is the option to change the JVM argument for your Minecraft launcher. I hope friends now you will be able to make the required changes, and you can also look for the Java executable file from here. You can browse Java executable file from here, and you can simply select it, and you can just select the Java file from here, and you can make the required changes. So I hope you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can comment below, and if you want such Minecraft related videos, then you can subscribe my channel.